Lemon water, coffees, or exercise. What really works for overnight weight loss? Hi everyone, welcome to back our channels. Are you trying to lose weight fast? You have probably heard people say drink lemon waters before bed. Have black coffee in the mornings, just exercise and you will drop pounds overnight. But what really works? Today we are going to break it down. Lemon water, coffees, or exercise, what actually helps with overnight weight loss. Let's get started. What is overnight weight loss? Let's be real, there is no magic tricks that burns 10 pounds while you sleep. But yes, your body does burn calories overnight. When you sleep, your body repairs itself and uses energy. So, if you support your bodies with the right habits, you can lose some weights or reduce bloating by morning. Let's look at the top 3 methods people talk about. Lemon water. Lemon water is a super popular. People say it melts fat. But let's get this straight. Lemon water does not burn fat directly, but it does supports our weight loss in a few ways. It hydrates you, it aids digestion, it may reduce bloating. It has vitamin C, great for your skin and metabolism. Tip: drink warm lemon waters before bed or early in the mornings. It will not burn fat overnight, but it will make you feel lighter and less bloated. Black coffee. Now let's talk about black coffee. Yes, coffee can help boost metabolism and increase fat burning thanks to caffeine, but only if you drink it without sugars and cream. It gives you energies to move and work out. It slightly raises body's temperatures, which may burn more calories. It can suppress appetite for a short time. But be careful. Too much coffee late at night can disturb your sleeps and poor sleeps. Weight gain. Best times early morning before a workout. Exercise. Here comes the real hero exercise. If you want to lose weights overnight or over time, nothing beats moving your body. Cardio burns calories fast. Walking, jogging, jumping jacks. Strength training builds muscles which burns more calories even when you sleep. Stretching or light yoga at night can help with better sleeps and fat burning. Even a 15 to 20 minutes evening workout can make a big difference. The more fat your body uses are full, even at night. What actually works best? So which one works best of overnight results? The truth is a combination is most effective. Here's a simple plan. Drink warm lemon waters before bed. Have black coffee in the morning, no sugar. Do light evening exercise daily 15 to 30 minutes and get 7 to 8 hours of good sleeps. Very important. This way your body works for you even while you sleep. Bonus tips for faster results. Here are some extra tips to speed up the process. No late night snacks. Your body needs rest, no more food. Keep dinner light like soup, salad or garlic veg. Try to walk after dinners, even for 10 minutes. Avoid sugary drink. They add hidden calories. Remember, it is not about losing 5 pounds in a night. It's about building habits that works every night. So there you go. Lemon water helps with hydrate and digestion. Black coffee boosts energies and metabolism. Exercise burn real fats and builds a better body. You do not need expensive product or pills. Just build these simple habits and stay consistent. Try it for 1 week and see the result yourself. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural health tips. Let me know in the comments which one do you use, lemon water, coffee, or exercise. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.